Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will automatically turn off and then turn on your device, and it will be useful if for some reason you've got some issues with that. So when the device freezes and it does not respond to your touches. So basically all you have to do in order to force restart it is to press the power button and volume down button together and wait, and you have to press them simultaneously. So you will have to press it and hold this press for a while, like I don't know, a few seconds. Then you will see the black screen and the device should be restarted. So let me try to do it at least. The power button, which is right here, and the volume down button together. And let's ignore everything. So let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because our device just do not respond to any actions. And here we've got black screen. I can release the fingers. We can see the developer's logo. And after a while, your device will simply be restarted and hopefully it will get back to its normal state. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to force restart your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.